Well, the time has come. We are living in a brave new world. I just tried to log on to CapCut, and lo and behold, I'm not able to get to CapCut, and I got this message. So that's right, ladies and gentlemen, get ready to buy a bunch of Adobe stock. I may be buying some Adobe stock because of this. And if you live in the United States, we knew that the TikTok ban was coming. We knew that TikTok owned CapCut, but unfortunately, I was not really prepared, nor was I ready for the fact that I was not going to be able to use CapCut. So here we are. I wanted to be one of the first to bring it to you guys. If you are CapCut users, I think you have a couple different options. You can move over to something like Adobe Premiere. Great program, pretty cumbersome in my opinion to use, not as easy as CapCut. I used it for years, but it is a paid subscription and it is quite expensive. So the other thing you can do is probably what I'm going to do is move over to DaVinci Resolve. I've been wanting to try out DaVinci Resolve for a long time. Maybe I'll do a series on my learning path there. But then there is one other way that I found that you can get around this, and that is by using a VPN. If you know what you're doing there, you can mask where your location is and you can still access some of this stuff. So I don't know how you feel about that. I don't know how I feel about that. Like I said, I'm more than likely just going to use this to move over to DaVinci Resolve. But we are now living in a time, ladies and gentlemen, that we now have a great firewall. And today is the day. I'll always remember this day. I am quite a bit of a nerd. If you watch my channel, you also know that I'm into networking and home labbing and stuff like that. January 18th, 2025, we now have a Great American Firewall, just like they have over in China. And that's pretty depressing to someone like me that really enjoys something we used to call freedom. So without getting too political, I wanted to let you know that CapCut's gone. It's gone. Poof, gone. Write your senators if you want anything like that back. Listen, I'm not a big TikTok guy. I don't really like TikTok, but I respect creators over there. A lot of them are losing their jobs. So I only assume, since I got this message, I was literally on it a second ago, and then just now it is 8:40 Mountain Time, and probably happened around 8:30 Mountain Time that I got this message. Again, here's the message. You can see what it's saying. We as American citizens can't access anything apparently to do with a company that owns TikTok.